Yo, Gaza Nation, don't make blood clot Romeish try to overthrow cartel right now. The Black Friday sale are going, and through the Black Friday sale are going, big slimy mouth, mash mouth, no teeth in a mouth corner, short lip, bumbo clot Romeish come out with this big excitement, like you know here, so we have blood clot 50% off on the ticket them. Here what me I tell you now, TJ, big up yourself, make sure so you don't give in. Don't blood clot take no buyout. Sue him and make him pay dearly. When cancel him bumbo clot, remember buy ticket them. Go and go buy ticket them. Front stage ticket. All I bleachers ticket them. Everything loud right now. Short lip man, you're wrong. When you go buy ticket them, you're thinking faggot bumbo clot. You never like it. You know camel man. Long time. You should have never lick him man. You're drunk, you. Romeish, let me ask you a question. I mean that's why. Know one thing. Me don't know who name Andre. Me no business. Why you not allow Andre if to do that? Why you send Andre go back somebody where you're there live with regular? What kind of badness you are push? What the outcome when you did that look for? You want to become the new Dodos, Viad? A badness you are promote? You're not setting an example for them rankers, yeah? And none of them famous TikTokers, yeah? If this is the behavior where you are promote, what Jamaica need better from you as a big mash mouth man? You would need to act your age because you really not act like that. Eh? Why would you do that to Maya? Why? And you stand up there like one Dan. And the people them, when they turn up there, video them and assault the man. No could go help the man. Amaya. No all never want to help. All I want to do just want to kick him too. And push down Maya too. So nobody at all never want to Romeish a big stone. A buckle. Nobody. All I want to do is watch them assault the man. I want to do their video if you can compose it to them tomorrow morning. And nobody to help the youth. Them kick him, them box him, them do him all kind of something, bro. Them say TJ did loud. TJ did loud up. So what? Make it loud. Romeish move him bumbo clock and go suck out him mother. Romeish right now pussy what? Be the one that never come talk about. The other day about. Yo, this is D0n a blood clot. Jamaica me no see God Dolly Sunday. You know. Me not go nowhere with some pussy hole me always and humiliate. Butty man Romeish a waste man. Me don't need to go nowhere with them butty man there. Me don't need to do that. When me go to Jamaica, I bring my own money with me. Me blood clot that Jamaica, I need money, I call my mama. Oh, I'm telling you, I need no pussy clot body. I don't need nobody to put me up neither. I don't need no boy to do nothing for me. I don't need no boy to rent nowhere of blood clot and keep no party for me. Go suck your mother, Romeish. Suck out the deepest part of your mother, batty boy. Rebel, all you have to watch yourself. Because you think of peace and safety, you know, goody. But do your thing. You do your thing. We don't always think so. We don't need core right. We don't need people who are pushing all you out in our business. Romeish, them a leech. And parasite. Them pussy and I help you know. I bring them down. I money them and make off for you. You hear that? So when you see them come over here, so come catch up on the live. I look them and look views too. Who the fuck is Romeish? What is a Romeish? Romeish, if you run back at the whole like TikTok of them and I go on the shoes and I go on the shirt, no boy can buy me nothing. No boy can buy me no pants. And that's Sir Popcorn say. Eh? If just want to live like a bumbo class kettle, every day for everybody live. If you're happy over there, they can do the live, Jade live, Candy live, everybody live. Because he might live off of their steam, he might live off of their heat, he might live off of them blood clot views. I mean talk about him all the while. Every time I tell him about the camel shape blood clot man, who always I can tell me about, yo, no man that loud man, Romeish a girl pitney. Sour slimy mouth, girl pitney, big bitch. You see me? Big blood clot, bitch. Can you see it? Romeish is not like Sir Popcorn. Me have to take my axe off to Sir Popcorn. Yo, Popcorn could have. Thanks, Mom. Popcorn could have, but he didn't. Popcorn could have boxed me down, you know. When Sir Popcorn catch me, you know. He could have broke me ass. Them they kick and thump, they were blood clot. I would have baby kick and thump come here to where we couldn't get that thing. If Sir Popcorn did catch me, I'd decide if he flog me. I would be flagged. I would be flagged. I would be flagged, more than flagged. When Sir Popcorn catch me that day, I saw the killing them. All the killing them. Saw a board box. Also a shallow grave. Probably like a small fire. You understand what I'm saying? So when me I tell you, dramatic display, you're pussy. Right? Because Sir Popcorn, a bad man, did a vehicle it. Him could have left me in the hills. Who no could have did a sing, don't scatter them roses till I'm gone. Who no scatter roses for me, fuck on social media, me couldn't come back. Be a kill it. So last night when me soon don't have them, your man, you know, they run down the man and I beat him. Who no kill it. Oh no real kill it. You want to be a blood clot killing or Romeish. You is not a kill it. Remember Sir Popcorn said, go on down my busso then there, down my morass. Down there, so enjoy that. Sir Popcorn, when Sir Popcorn never did have to tell me if you go down my busso them. He never did have to tell me if you go down my morass. He could have made me turn in a morass. He could have made me turn in a one busso. But what me do? Me left. Upon the man and say, alright then. Since you have a problem with TG, Batman and Romeish, why you never tell the security? Say security, escort him out the building. It now work. You understand?
Mark Vice. Yeah, man, we have to Mark Vice. Don't go fly! Cheers! Bro. Look on me. Remember me there with a toddler. Remember the man here with elder. When we are forward in the industry, the man never discuss with. Never. You see me, so we have to give them man a whole heap of ratings. And bless you. Yeah, man. Respect them. Rain or fall, you know what that means?
Look good. Bless you. You see, better than. No post it. No post it test. No post it test. I don't love her that. Yeah. All right. Green stars. Mooney. Energy there. Yeah.
You see, I.
Uncle Harry. When them see me outside
Right outside. Somewhere in a part of the road.
Some car with a red one. Hot time.
Hot Chance that party. Continue.